You are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jewish, Sikh, or anyone. You don't hate any human being in terms of religion, race, color, language, or region. A child born in a Muslim family becomes Muslim. A child born in a Hindu family becomes a Hindu. Similarly, a child born in the house of Jew becomes a Jew. What is the fault of the child in this case? Similarly, people living in hot areas are usually black, and people living in a cold areas are white. If people in the cold region were born in the hot region, they would have been black too. So you do not hate any being in terms of religion, race, color, language, or region. Don't hurt anyone because of them. Do not insult anyone. Honorable is the one who loves humanity. Please love all but no hate. Convey my message to everyone. Thanks.